بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Quranic Arabic webinars. This lesson is how to pronounce the alphabet with Fathah. What we will learn. We will learn how Hamza and the letters of the alphabet are pronounced with Fathah. We will learn what heavy and light letters are. The different A sounds. With Fathah, letters can produce two types of sounds. One is called light sound and the other is called a heavy sound. A letter with Fathah that produces a light sound gives the sound of A, as in apple, and a letter with Fathah that produces a heavy sound gives the sound of R. So in our examples and practices, the light sounds will be in blue and the letters that give a heavy sound will be in red. Here are some examples. The letter Jim with Fathah gives a light sound, so it gives the sound of Ja. The letter Kha with Fathah gives a heavy sound, so we get the sound of Kha. And the letter Sad also gives a heavy sound with Fathah and gives the sound of Sa. So we have Ja, Kha, Sa. The 7 heavy letters. Seven of the Arabic alphabet are known as the heavy letters. With Fathah, they have the R sound. Listen to these 7 letters being pronounced.
Kha, Gha, Sa, Da, Ta, Dha, Qa.
The letter Ra with Fathah. The letter Ra with Fathah also behaves as a heavy letter, but is not included in the 7 heavy letters, as sometimes it is pronounced light. So this is pronounced as
Ra,
but it cannot be pronounced as Ra. Again, it is pronounced as
Ra.
Length of Fathah sounds. When we make the sounds with Fathah, we must make sure the sound is one length long. So be sure not to make the sounds 2 lengths long. So you must say A and not A, or R and not R. So now we will practice the whole alphabet with Fathah, and the first letter will be Hamza.
A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Tha, Ra, Za, Sa, Sha. Sa, Da, Ta, Dha, A, Gha, Fa, Qa, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Wa, Ha, A, Ya.
Practice with heavy and light letters. on the left we have the heavy letters, the 7 heavy letters, and some of the light letters, and we're going to compare the sound on the right against the sound on the left. So these two letters will sound almost the same, but with the light sound and heavy sound they will sound quite different. So we're going to practice from the top going to the bottom. So listen very carefully.
Ta, bo, ka, bo, da, bo, tha, vo, sa, so, kho, ro.
Conclusion. Now you know how to pronounce the Arabic alphabet with the sound Fathah. You can also recognize the different sounds.